participation is a must.
This means big cheers, big boos, and joining in all the way.
You might find out some boys are dressed as girls.
And some girls are dressed as boys or cats.
Do not be alarmed by this.
Do not be too frightened by the baddies.
It's only pretend.
But most importantly, we expect a standing ovation at the end.
Thanks for listening.
We hope you enjoy!
I cannot believe it. The prince is getting married. 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 Did you know the prince is getting married? The prince is getting married.
The prince is getting married? Wait! I am the prince!
Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, lived a handsome prince.
And some very pushy parents.
The prince was unhappy about this, so he decided to confront his parents.
Where is that boy? Honestly, he's late for everything. He just got that from you, you know.
I told him dinner was at 6. Thank you by now.
Mother, father, Dandini is here for dinner.
Oh, hello there, Zandini. How is your mother?
Very well, thanks. I hope it's alright if I join. I'm glad I've got you all here. I want to talk to you about something.
Oh?
I went for a wander today in the village, and I heard everyone gossiping. Apparently, I am to be getting married.
Ah, yes, about that. Your mother felt...
Excuse me.
Sorry, we felt it was time you settled down.
Settle down?
No one should settle down with him.
Of course they do. Any girl would be lucky to have a little pumpkin like you.
Mother, stop calling me pumpkin.
I like it, pumpkin.
Everyone stop! I am not getting married.
I'm afraid, son, you are. As king of the kingdom, it is my duty to ensure that once I'm gone, it is run properly, and you need a wife.
Yes, behind every good, successful man is a good woman.
Him getting married?
Dandini, you're supposed to be on my side.
Sorry, I am. I'll never give you your best man, though.
Son, it is final. We're having a ball, and all the eligible ladies from the kingdom have been invited. But the good news is, you get to pick your favourites.
My favourite? I just look at them and decide.
Well, of course you can speak with them too.
But I don't want to get married.
I know, son. I didn't either.
What? Listen, you're getting married. End of discussion.
Oh, you are so annoying!
On the other side of the kingdom, poor Cinderella was being used as a servant by her evil stepmother and wicked stepsister.
When her father died, she was left all alone just with him. And they made her do all the housework ever since.
She had nowhere to go, so she had to live unhappily ever after, for now.
But luckily, she had a best pal to keep her company.
Hi, Cinders.
Buttons, hi!
Sorry.
Stepmother, an ugly stepsister is at the shop, so I must be home alone. You want to do something?
Oh, but you know I'd love to, but I can't. I've got to mop the floors, feed the cat, make the dinner, and wash all the clothes.
Can't you just skip it? Say you forgot?
Are you serious? You know they'll just lock me in my room.
They are horrible.
Pass them back, quick! You better leave.
Hi, everybody. My name is Buttons. I work here in the castle. Cinderella's my best friend, and I think she's gorgeous. I mean, nice. I think she's nice. Anyway, her evil stepmother makes her do everything, and those ugly stepsisters are even worse. I wish I could put them in their place. Nasty beast things that they are. I know. I will. I don't know. I am a rubbish best friend, and I can never figure out how to save her. But if I could, then I'd be her knight in shining armor. I think I'd be a good knight. Don't you?
I don't know, actually.
Hey, I have a joke for you. What's Camelot famous for? It's nightlife. Get it? Get it? Ouch. You know, fun.
What was the joke?
Okay, good shopping trip, girls.
I love how you dress.
And my new necklace is fabulous.
You're both fabulous. Now where's that little snot-rag sister of yours?
Don't ask me. I prefer pretend she's invisible. Me too. She'll phase my eyes.
Cinderella, come here right now, you little brat.
Yes, stepmother.
Did you get all your chores done?
Oh, master, I just need to...
gonna stop you right there. That's not good enough.
Well, it's just that...
Be quiet or you won't get any dinner. Did any meal come for me?
Yes, actually, we all got something.
One for you, one for you, and I'll take that.
But that one's for me.
Let's get something straight. Nothing's for you.
You're just a savage.
Yes, Cinderella.
Read it aloud.
E-L-8-E's. Well, can be so stupid. We all could belong to a grand castle ball and hope we find a suitable wife for a prince.
Oh, the prince.
And me too.
Of course not. We don't want to be seen with you in public.
And you have nothing to wear.
And no one likes you.
Oh, that's okay. I understand.
Freeze! Dear, dear, we will have to do something about this. Fairy godmothers, assemble.
Sorry, I forgot we had a meeting today.
Ladies, we have a very sad case today. Cinderella, the beautiful girl crying, is being treated very badly by her stepfamily. And her poor father is deceased. So if we don't help her, then no one will.
I will do it. No, that's me.
Oh, please, let me go.
Well, actually, she is your fairy goddaughter.
What? I didn't know I had one of those.
Seriously, why do you think you're here? Girls, leave us.
Sorry, I'm a bit forgetful. I'm clumsy, and I'm not really good at anything.
Nonsense, you're a fairy godmother, and you've been chosen for a reason. Now, where is your wand?
I don't think I could.
Here, you can borrow mine. Be careful.
I'll take extra special care of it.
Now, do you know the right spells to use?
Well, I was going to go to spells class, but SpongeBob came on, and he really makes me laugh, so...
This is not good enough. You didn't have a wand, you don't know the spells to use, and you didn't even know you had fairy goddaughter.
But I make a fantastic strawberry cheesecake. I can bake for her.
No baking. I want you to go there, transform her. Prince Charming would be stupid not to fall in love with her.
Yes, sir. Now, which way is it?
That way. You have one day. Do not lose your wand.
I won't. I'll take extra special care of it. You can trust me.
What have I done?
I have ordered a giant cake and everyone is coming in carriages with horses.
Very good. You know I'm coming around the whole idea of being a husband.
You're lucky, you know. You know I always wanted to get married.
Is everything ready for the ball? The invitation has been sent and well received.
Well, everyone wants to marry a prince, don't they? One day this lucky lady will be queen.
Oh, certainly this silly idea of romance that he has will get him nowhere. You could say it's every girl's dream to get married.
And my nightmare. Right, let's get on with it then.
Back at Cinderella's house, she was having a wonderful dream.
Meow! 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 Oh, what joy! See that wicked cat? I was having the most wonderful dream about a prince and a ball, but that can only ever be a dream, can't it? I don't get to go to the ball. I wish I could have one day where I live like them. No mopping, no shouting, no screaming, no cleaning up after everybody else. A day just for me. Or if I had my own pretty dress and elegant shoes, I would twirl and dance all night.
Cinderella, I'm glad you're here.
Why? What's wrong, Buttons?
Wrong, nothing's wrong. Your evil stepmother says you can go to the ball. You just have to get all your chores done and find something to wear.
But I have nothing to wear.
Don't worry about that. You just get your chores done and I'll figure out the rest.
Oh, thank you, Buttons, you're my hero!
I know what you're thinking. Why am I helping you get the prince? Well, she'll never love someone like me anyway. You're supposed to say, "Aw." Let's try that again. Right. Well, she'll never love someone like me anyway. Aww. So I just want her to be happy. Right, I'm off to find her something to wear. Just do me a favor, will you? When those evil stepmother and ugly stepsisters come on, just give them a boo, will you? Bye! Bye!
Because you know I'm on.
Where you
I'm all about the book. Mum, why did you tell Cinderella to go to the ball?
Yes, she can't go to the ball. She's far too kind, and gentle, and beautiful.
Imagine hearing a broom or bobo.
Let's
Give me your highness and this pop in my bucket. I'm out to flummy and we dance.
I know, and she won't. I just want to see what she's like when we brew it all for her. That was another moment for a boo.
This audience is terrible. I know we can count to 3, then we will laugh and dramatically exit. 1, 2, 3.
Did they say they would make it?
Well, I found a dress, and it's ruined almost as soon as I got it. I laid it down, and you wicked cat came and ruined it. I guess Cinderella won't be going to the ball.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know where I find young girl treated as a servant in her own home? Kind, sweet, beautiful.
Cinderella? Yeah, this is where she lives. I can take you to her. Wait, first, what do you want her for?
I'm her fairy godmother, and I'm here to get her to the ball.
That's great! Well, I'll take you to her right now. Come with me right this way. Okay, come. Let's go.
Cinderella, come here! Yes, stepmother. Did you finish all your chores?
Nearly. I just need to.
Oh, that's a shame because we need them done by now. But once I finish washing the curtains, then I can get ready for the ball.
You wish. You're staying here. Now get your sisters ready. Tiffany wants her hair done, and Lucinda wants her makeup done like Beyonce.
Yes, stepmother. I'm gonna let Lady Gaga, the music watching it. Big. No, me first. Okay, I want to done like yours is red carpet. How dare you? I'm the oldest. Yes, but I'm the best looking. It's okay. I can get you both done. You know what? I'm gonna do mine myself. Me too. I don't want your dirty hands touching me anyway.
Oh, I knew it was too good to be true. How could I have been so stupid?
Sin, this is your hairy godmother, here to save the day.
Very dear. Hello, Cinderella. I'm here to get you to the ball.
But I can't go to the ball.
Of course you can. Audience, could you help me out here? I need you all to say bibbity bobbity boo on the count of 3, and if we've magically got Cinderella ready for the ball, then give us our biggest cheer. Let's have a practice. Bibbity bobbity boo on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bibbity bobbity boo!
Great practice. Now let's have a try. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bibbity bobbity boo!
It's more than I could ever hope for.
Sin, you look great.
Thanks, Button. Thank you so much. And thank you, Fairy Godmother. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Come on, guys. Wow, I'm really going to the ball. And I get to meet the prince. And talk to people. And dance. And stuff some chocolate in my face. But child, you must know that spells only last till 12. So when the clock strikes 12, the spell will be broken.
Yeah, that would be pretty funny, standing at the ball in rags.
Imagine. Okay, I'll be back here by midnight, I promise. Oh, and Cinderella, yes, Fairy Godmother, have fun.
Yeah, how about ball?
I wish you were coming, Buttons.
Yeah, me too. But that cat will be in your room the second that front gate closes.
Good point. Stay up for me then so I can tell you all about it when I get back.
I will. See you then.
Someone pinch me. I can't believe I'm really going to the ball. Ow, I didn't mean to actually do it, okay? I'm going. Wish me luck.
Well,
It's happening. I have to choose one of these ladies to be my wife. Only, I don't know what to look for in a wife. Maybe if I went now, I could go before Dandini gets back. He is enjoying my misery way too much. Oh no, here he comes again.
Hello, Prince Charming. Ready to get hitched? I still can't believe we're getting married.
Just get on with it.
Okay, the ladies are lined up outside and they're each coming to meet you one by one.
Okay, fine. Let's get it over with.
I should warn you, they're all a little bit excited. In fact, it's like a One Direction concert over here.
What do you mean?
I'll show you.
Ready. Is she really here? The girl of my dreams? Would you tell me if you saw her? If you see her, tell me where she is.
Behind you.
So she is. Hello.
Hello, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be so late. I didn't know my way, and I had to get ready.
You're not late. You're just on time.
Really?
Really? Shall we dance?
I would be honored to dance with you, Prince Charming.
Oh, look at that. He has found someone.
I don't recognize her. Who is she?
Oh my goodness! I need to go! I should have left already!
You can't go. You've only just got here. Please stay.
I'm sorry. I can't.
Excuse me, young lady?
Where is she going? She left behind the glass slipper.
I will not rest until I find the woman who fits this shoe.
So the prince went on a mission to find Cinderella. Even Cinderella's own family didn't know she was the girl from the ball.
Wait, so the prince has fallen in love with Cinderella, but he doesn't know it's her, so he's gonna try the shoe on every girl in the kingdom till it fits someone. What if someone has the same size feet?
Shh, you're ruining it. Shh, the royals are coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather round for an important announcement.
Her sweet little boy.
The prince.
Sorry. The prince is looking for the lady who fits this shoe.
So please have your feet at the ready, and make sure they're not cheesy. Stop this mayhem!
Once we have found the lady, a royal wedding will be arranged. No time for chaos.
Seems we'll have to go door to door. Please return to your homes and wait for the prince and Dandini to come to you.
Prince Charming, my feet hurt.
Well, tough. This is the last house. I have to find her.
I'm going above the toilet!
What about Cinderella?
Well remembered. Get her out of here.
That isn't fair. I should try on the shoe too.
You will do no such thing. Get in the cupboard, you open the door.
Fine, will never fit you anyway. It will. Hello, charming.
Thank you. Please may I have all the ladies of the house to try on the shoe of my future bride.
Present your foot.
Yes. It fits! It fits!
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we're having slight technical difficulties, but please stay with us.
Princey, cover your ears. It should not fit anyone but Cinderella.
But it fits me. Ow!
She won't fit square.
I didn't even get a shot.
Well, take it off. It's not your shoe. You can uncover your ears now, Princey.
Thank you. Now what on earth is going on?
Madame, does it fit or not? It doesn't.
If it doesn't fit her, it won't fit me either because I have the same size shoe.
I've had enough of this. The shoe hasn't been tried on everyone in the house because my
Shut up! Go and help in the kitchen before you lose your job.
I'm terribly sorry, Prince.
That's okay. I am sorry to have wasted your time.
But it's the last house. Which shoe can it be?
Freeze! I have had quite enough of this. Now, a wave of one should help.
My gosh! Hello, Prince Dandini.
Who are you?
Never seen her before in my life. She doesn't live here. She's an alien. Please, I have heard enough from you lot too. Now, audience, if you could help me out here, I need you to boo loud enough that we can get rid of these rotten apples. On 3. 1, 2, 3. I try on the sheet.
Of course. My lady actually hope it fits.
My gosh! It fits! It truly fits!
It does, and it was with me, sir, at the ball.
Please, don't call me sir. You are to be my wife.
I'm going to marry a prince.
Yes, and you are to become a princess.
And I can go home.
Well, isn't that sweet?
The royal wedding was arranged, and they were going to be wed soon. Back at the kingdom, the news spread.
The prince is getting married. The prince is getting married. The prince is getting married. The prince is getting married.
The prince is getting married. The prince is getting married.
The prince is getting married? Nonsense! They have already been wed.
Welcome to the family.
Finally, a new girl in the castle.
And they all lived happily ever after! Yay! Our director and script maker, Kirsty, but also a very, very big thank you because we are missing someone and the person that filled him in is this amazing person here. So thank you very much, James.